these tiny strands of saffron can help you lose weight? Surprise! These may look tiny, but they solve a big problem of obesity. Saffron, it gives satiety feeling and reduces appetite, therefore reducing total amount of calories consumed in your diet. Supplements made with saffron help reduce BMI, waist circumference, total fat and your overall body weight. Theories around this are that saffron helps in elevating your mood by secreting more of serotonin in your blood, and which in turn reduces your chances of binge eating. You don't feel hungry after having it. For adding this spice in your diet for maximum health benefits, crush the saffron strands and steep them in warm water for 20 minutes. Then add this liquid to whatever drink you like. You can add it to your herbal tea, you can add it to your green tea, you can add it to your soups, your milk, your purees, in your vegetables, in anything you want, you can add. Do me a favor by pressing the save button and sending it to someone who is struggling to lose weight. For more tips and tricks, follow Dietitian Garima.